There you have it, guys. Steamed callaloo and saltfish. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be doing for you some callaloo and saltfish. So I have here my callaloo that was cut up and washed, and I have my saltfish in some water soaking. So, and I have my season on the side. I have sweet pepper, tomato, onion, hot pepper, escallion, thyme, so, and garlic. So I'm gonna get, and I have also some Maggi, all-purpose season, basil, and some garlic powder. I'm gonna put the saltfish to boil now to get rid of some of those excess salt. Saltfish is very salt, so in order to get rid of the salt, you have to soak it overnight, or you boil it in the morning and then soak it again. Alright. In the meantime, this is on the fire. I'm gonna season up the callaloo now. So I'm gonna allow this to boil twice and throw away the water each time and get fresh water, okay? Because we want to get rid of the salt. I'm gonna use my all-purpose season now to start seasoning up the callaloo. A little bit of basil, alright. A little bit of garlic powder, okay. Just season according to how you prefer your callaloo to be seasoned. I have here roughly half teaspoon of black pepper. No salt, because the saltfish is already salt, and some of these seasons have salt in it, so we're not going to use any salt today. So I'm going to add the other seasoning now. Okay, so the seasoning are now on my callaloo. I'm just gonna wait until the saltfish is ready to add the saltfish. Oh, and I'm gonna add a little butter to this. Alright, roughly a teaspoon of butter. Alright, I'm gonna cover this and allow it to set until I'm ready with the saltfish. Saltfish is boiling. This is the first of the two boil that is gonna get. Here we go, second boil, because I want to get rid of most of the salt. Alright, this is the second boil. I'm gonna drain off this water now and have it soaked in some cold water. Alright, so in preparation for your callaloo, the saltfish will take the most prep time, because we want to get rid of some of the excess salt. Alright, I have removed the bones and break the saltfish in pieces, so I'm gonna add it to my callaloo now. So at this time when I'm doing my callaloo, I don't use much saltfish, just a little bit is now added. So I'm gonna just mix up everything, okay. add in this bit of butter and then add it to the fire, and that's it. No oil, nothing else. I'm just gonna let it steam. Okay. Alright. Callaloo is now on the fire. I'm gonna leave it now to cook. Well, at least steam until it's cooked. Alright. Here we go again, guys. It takes less than 10 minutes to prepare. It's easy. From here, have your saltfish ready. Okay. This is it. You just need it to steam, right? Steam callaloo and saltfish. Alright. There you have it, guys. Steam callaloo and saltfish. Okay. Already looking lovely and ready to be eaten. My lovely callaloo and saltfish. You can do this too. It takes roughly half an hour to prepare, and in total, say 45 minutes. Okay. Hi guys, breakfast is now served. I'm having my callaloo and saltfish with toasted bread and some turmeric and ginger tea. Okay. So it's easy, guys. Easy breakfast. Good for the entire family. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Thank you for watching. Happy cooking. See you in the next video. Don't forget to watch all my other videos.